Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment 5G wireless standard design week 8 assignment 8. So the first question is, consider a system with the given channel response H equal to, so this is our matrix, and if HVD decomposition needs to be performed on the above channel such that the matrix H will be decomposed as HW, find the diagonal matrix of H. So these are the option, and the answer of our first question is A. Now the second question is, signals that can be used to estimate the channel to find the desired pre-coding matrix to transmit the downlink signal. So these are the option, and the answer of our second question is A, B, and C. Now the third question is, if the UE has 4 antennas and GNB has 16 antennas, then calculate the number of CSI RSI ports that GNB should configure so that the UE can estimate the unprecoded channel. So the answer of our third question is 14. Now the fourth question is, if the UE has 4 antenna and the GNB has 64 antennas, then calculate the number of CSIRS ports that GNB should configure so that the UE can estimate the pre-code channel. So the answer of our fourth question is 4. Now the fifth question is, consider a system where GNB has 32 antennas and UE has 4 antennas and GNB is transmitted a 32 port CSIR signal to calculate the MCS value. If the effective SINR of the received signal across the 4 antennas at UE are 2 dB, 3 dB, 2.5 dB and 1.5 dB. Calculate the MCS index that UE will report for optimal PDSCH transmission. Note, please refer to table 5.1.3.12 MCS index table 2 for PDSCH of TS38.214 V15.3.0 to find the MCS index. So the answer of our fifth question is 4. Now, the sixth question is, which of the following statement are true regarding CSIRS signal? So these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is A, B, and D. Now, the seventh question is, if the UE has 4 antennas and GNB has 16 antennas, then calculate the number of DMRS ports that GNB should configure to transmit a PDSCH signal over the unprecoded channel. So the answer of our seventh question is 16. Now the eighth question is, which of the following statement are true? So these are the statement, and the answer of our eighth question is A and C. Now, now the ninth question is, consider a 5G NR system in which both GNB and UE has 4 antennas. In the channel matrix, it is found that, so this is our matrix. Then find the number of layers that can be transmitted over the channel. So the answer of our ninth question is 4. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.